It was 1986. I stood on a stage in front of 1,000 people. I opened my mouth to sing, and out came squeak! I was horrified. But, you know, it was day 17 of an 18-day tour, and I was exhausted. And I was torn. I had left behind my teenage children, my sick mother, and a grumbling husband. And I'm sure there's none out there. I started to get sick a lot. Headaches, backaches, stomach problems. I was stressed out and I was a mess. I eventually started to do things that would help me in feeling better. I felt like sometimes I was on this runaway Ferris wheel and I didn't really know how to get off. Did you ever feel that way? And so I even went back to school and studied wellness and nutrition and stress relief. And I'm here to tell you today that it is possible to reduce stress and find your healthy balance. And I'm here today to give you some tips that have worked for me. My hands are shaky and I'm feeling weak. My head is spinning and I'm really beat. I got daily hassles and I'm ready to freak. It sure ain't love. I'm all stressed out. Woo woo, woo woo, woo woo. I'm all stressed out.